Yo guys, welcome back to another video about where today we'll be reviewing some shoes from Icystar.re. So here we got the classic Rick Owens. Got the logo, everything correct, the box color is correct. And then there's nothing else on the box here. These are the seller's details if you're looking for to cop from them. And make sure I'll use code VOID for $15 off. So yeah, let's get into the video. Comes with this little thing, I call it tags and that. And then this has a little paper. I don't know what's inside it. Let's take a look at it. Got another one. Probably gonna be like the information on that. Yo, the amount of to this. So basically it looks like that inside. Some Italian, yeah, whatever. Doesn't really matter. And then like we got the bags for the shoes, I guess. Well, I'm not sure which ones I got, but like yeah, I did wear these for like once, just to see how they feel in that. Feels pretty good. The shape is correct. The zipper is like smooth. I'm probably gonna not be smooth right now because I'm doing it with one hand. Yes, don't worry. That's like the tag, embroidery tag. Looks good. Toe box is good. In the bottom there's their Rick Owens logo. So yeah, everything's correct. Let's take a look at the other shoe. The shoe is also good. Comes with everything. The print. Those rectangle stitching. The stitching is on point. Look at that. And yeah, this also has the logo. So yeah, pretty good so far. The leather feels premium. I don't know if it's real leather or not, but like it feels like real leather. So yeah, worth it for the price. And like you get like everything. Every details, nothing wrong with them. True to size. So yeah, if you're looking to cop from them, make sure I'll use code VOID. See you in the next one.